This is 44370 Willow Circle. It is for rent at $2,600 a month for a 2-year lease. It's on a cul-de-sac. It has a 3-car garage right here to the right of coming in. Lots of storage on either side. The washer and dryer is in the garage. This is the living room, great room, the dining L over there. You've got cathedral ceilings and a ceiling fan. I am still at the front door with my back to the front door. So I'm going to go forward into the family room. The kitchen is behind the piano here, and to the left is the bedroom wing. So we'll come back to that. This is the family room. I've seen a lot of this floor plan handled differently. When I rented this house, I had a big table here, a huge, big dining room table, and just extended the living room over there. We got to put the cabinets back on. So, nice appliances. You've got a little bar here, but it's really best served with a shelving unit underneath because the kitchen is a little tight on storage. There's a pantry here though. And the dining L, I made this a little study area. So you can do all kinds of things with it. Let's go outside because it is a pool home. And it is a wonderful, wonderful pool. Awesome landlords. There is a pomegranate tree around the side. This is a Meyer lemon that's very prolific. Equipment's behind there, of course. You have this covered area and a good side yard too, with the 3rd bay garage flipping up. I am going to go back in and take you to the bedroom wing. There are 4 bedrooms. Number 4, 3, 2. This one has really high ceilings. There's a coat closet here. You can see I'm just spinning in circles. A linen closet, sorry. The coat closet's in the other room. The shared hall bath and the master bedroom. So master bedroom has access to the pool, and it's very, very bright and sunny. There's a closet here and a closet here. The bathroom, the master bath, has been remodeled, and there's a shower there as well. So, ceiling fans in each room. It's just a wonderful house, great neighborhood.